All right, welcome back. We've got another pattern. It's going to be the sweetheart with a lady's underarm spin. Yes, ladies get to do a spin, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the same beginning that we had a while ago. All right, so we get into this coming out of like a patty cake right to right. Again, you can do a slow, slow going into it. The prep. Now I'm on the inside rail. Here we go. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. All right, so what happens is notice that I just keep that right hand, drop the left overhead. So let's do that again from this angle. And quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Yeah? So you notice it kind of travels a little bit. So it's not going to probably be good to go straight at you, okay, or away from you. We're actually going to do this in a circle a couple times, all right? So let's kind of start off in this back corner, and we're going to go into it. And when you do this, remember guys, it curves a little bit, so you don't have to travel so much all the time. So we have a quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, and catch. All right, let's take it from this angle. Ready? And quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, and slow. So again, you can dance this in a nice tight little area. It'll be just fine in practice, all right? So now you need to go take this little video and rewind as much as you need to, practice, and then come on back for the next pattern.